Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make vegetable soup Jamaican style. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the vegetable soup. So for the ingredients, I'm going to use baby pop choy. I'm going to use spinach. Here, I'm going to use half of an onion. Here, I'm going to use 1 carrot. I'm going to use 2 small cocoa, 1 piece of pumpkin, 1 choy. Going to use a piece of yellow yam. Going to use 1 Irish potato. Here, we're going to use some sea salt. I'm going to use 1 pumpkin soup flavored mix. Here, we're going to use some okra. We're going to use 2 corn, fresh thyme, scallions. Also, I'm going to use some coconut milk, and I have this coconut milk I made from this morning. Also, I'm going to use 1 pepper, 1 choy. To make the dumpling, I'm using all-purpose flour. Going to use some refined cornmeal. Going to use water and salt. Also, I'm going to use garlic. So this is the pot I'm going to use to make the vegetable soup in. I'm going to add 12 cups of water to it. Turn on the stove. To the pot, I'm going to add half of a small onion, 6 cloves of garlic, crush, 1 teaspoon pimento. Now I'm going to cover the pot, make it come to a boil. So meanwhile the pot coming to a boil, I'm going to prep all these ingredients in front of me. So I'm going to peel them and dice them up. The yellow yam, I'm not going to use all of it. So I have to wash them before I add them to the pot. Now the pot come to a boil. Now I'm going to cover the pot and go and make the dumplings. Now I'm going to make the dough for the dumplings. So this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of refined cornmeal, teaspoon sea salt, combine everything together. So here I'm using room temperature water. I'm going to add the water a liquor by liquor until me shake the dough. This is how my dough look. Now I'm going to wash off the excess flour off my hands before I shape the dumplings them. So I wash off all the excess flour that stick onto my hand. Now I'm going to shape the dumplings them. So you just pinch off a piece like this, and you do like this. So you go round and round and fold it inside. Then you put it in your palm and you do like this. So this is how the dumplings supposed to look. Now you want to put them on something to the side. Go again, you pinch off a next piece. You go round. This is it. So this is how my dumplings them look. So the pot been boiling for 10 minutes now. Now I'm going to add the dumplings them. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to cover the pot for it to come back to a boil. Now I'm going to wash the pop choy, okra and spinach. I'm going to use baking soda. So I break off the pop choy leaf them so I could wash out inside of here so properly. Down here so always have a lot of dirt, so you have to scrub them out. So you just want to pull them apart so you could get to wash them properly. For the okra them, we're just going to cut off the stem just like that and just cut them. For the spinach them, we just go rough cut them. Just chop them, just like this. Okay, the pot come back to a boil. Now I'm going to add the okra, the vegetables, spinach and the pop choy. Now I'm going to cover the pot for 3 minutes to make them sweat out. Okay, so it is already 3 minutes. Now I'm going to stir the pot. Now I'm going to add 1 pumpkin soup flavored mix. Stir it out. Now I'm going to add my homemade coconut milk. I'm going to add 1 pepper. We're not going to make the pepper burst. Here I'm going to add scallion and thyme. I'm going to use a piece of butcher cord to tie the thyme and the scallions together. Now I'm going to taste it if it needs more sodium. So it needs more sodium. I'm going to add a pinch of sea salt to it. Not too much sea salt, just a pinch. Now I'm going to cover the pot for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the vegetable soup is ready to serve. Okay, my people, here I have it. Jamaican style vegetable soup, cooked to perfection. Now I'm going to turn off the stove. Going to take out the pepper. Don't want it to burst. Okay, now I'm going to serve myself a bowl. So here I have it, my people. Authentic Jamaican vegetable soup. It's really hot. This is so flavorful, nice and tasty. Could taste even the coconut in it. Now I'm going to sit and enjoy my soup. So thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.